Days after Cyclone Yas pounded Bengal, politics over it is raging on. Mamata has written to Prime Minister Modi over centre's order to recall West Bengal Chief Secretary Alapan Bandyopadhyay. Mamata said the unilateral order was issued without consulting the state government, calling it a violator of All India Services rules. This is coming as 10 a.m. deadline for Alapan to report in Delhi North Block has ended. Sources say he is likely to defy the centre's directive and is set to join Mamata Banerjee at the state secretariat in Nabana instead. If sources are to be believed, Alapan may get a role in TMC government. Alapan was recalled hours after controversy erupted over Mamata skipping Prime Minister's meeting on Cyclone Yas. Earlier, Bengal government asked for a 3-month extension for the chief secretary that the centre cleared. So the West Bengal Chief Secretary is defiant. Let's get you the options before the centre at the moment. We are requesting the producers to pull that out on your screens for us to get you a better understanding of what it is. Mamata's letter to Prime Minister Modi, she says she's shocked. Absolutely. Let's get you those graphics here on your screens. West Bengal Chief Secretary remains defiant. These are the options before the centre. Stern reminder to Alapan to join a central post. Tell Bengal government to relieve Alapan at the moment. That's the other option that the centre has. Let's get you option number 3. Show cause notice if he refuses to join. Number 4. Posting order or disciplinary actions. These are the 4 options before the central government. Indrajit is now joining us. Indrajit, we've walked our viewers through the 4 options before the central government. Given the fact that the chief secretary remains defiant, what next? What are you picking up from your sources?
Well, it's a precarious situation, Chaiti, at this point in time for the officer himself, because remember, he continues to remain on state deputation right now. And unless he's relieved by the state government, there's no way that he can join the central deputation. And as we have been mentioning, the letter that has now been written by West Bengal Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee, it categorically states what the situation is right now, because only on 24th of May, the central government had written to the state government agreeing to the proposal of extending a 3-month tenure for Alapan Bandyopadhyay, who retires officially today. So the central government had given a nod to the state government to extend his tenure for 3 more months. Now, within 4 days, that is on 28th of May in the evening, comes this letter from the central government saying that Alapan Bandyopadhyay immediately needs to move back to Delhi. And that also on the last day or last working day of his tenure. So that remains a very sketchy situation right now, because Mamata Banerjee says that, and she cites the rule book here, the IAS rules, where she says that any such decision needs to be done in consultation with the state government. As far as the centre's previous move is concerned, where they had allowed 3-month extension, that was done with due consultation with the state government, because it was the state government's request. But this new order of recalling him to Delhi is a unilateral order. There was no consultation with the state government, and therefore there is no question of releasing Alapan Bandyopadhyay, the chief secretary, right now, because he's engaged in a very, very crucial job of tackling the pandemic here in the state. And that's precisely why the West Bengal government had sought a 3-month extension despite him retiring today. So Alapan Bandyopadhyay, as we can report to you right now, has just entered, just a short while back, about 15 minutes back, he's entered the West Bengal State Secretariat. So clearly, he's not reported at North Block in New Delhi at 10 o'clock this morning. And this matter has been escalated to the level of the Chief Minister and the Prime Minister.
All right, Indrajit, we'll keep coming back to you for more on this story.